What's up, Pokemon collectors? Pokemon Central here with his brother, and here we are. We're gonna be doing another pack opening, and these are, I believe, this is a blister pack right here. It does contain a Goodra card promo. Also contains a 60 card holder and two X and Y booster packs. Also, this over here, each of them contain a booster pack from the Breakthrough series, with also a little booklet that holds 60 cards apiece. So all three of these hold 60 cards apiece. I'll be opening these two first, and then this one shortly after. Here goes nothing. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, guys, but a little tougher than I thought. So here is the little book that it comes. It holds 60 cards, I believe. Doesn't seem like it holds 60, but I guess back and front it holds 60, or 30 if you want. Okay, so here's the artwork on that. Artwork of the side. And the back. Also comes with one booster pack, Breakthrough. So let's get to opening this. Card trick. So we have a Pinsir, Starvery Ray, Frogadier, Pikachu, Hoot Hoop, Remoraid, Teddy Ursa, Scatterbug, Reverse, Flogis, and a rare Marowak. Okay, so we'll be opening the second one. Another booklet, I believe is the same artwork. And another pack. So we got Curlia, Buddy Rescue, Starmie, Sandshrew, Cubone, Noibat, Pikachu, Magnemite, a reverse Cacnea, and a non-holo rare Abomasnow or whatever, Mastodon. Alright, so here we go with this blister pack opening. Does contain a card and two packs. Here we go. Get to opening. I know I'm bad at naming the Pokemon cards. Very bad. I still haven't learned all the names. So here are the two packs. I use one from that. So we got this card here. I don't know how we're gonna take that out, but oh, here it is. So it is a promo card. And it did come with one of these booklets, different artwork from the other ones. So we do got 3 of those, and now we got a Primal Clash and a Phantom Forces. Let's start with Primal Clash first. So we got Buffalet, Lant, Rare Candy, Barbarelle, Chinchino, Tynamo, Nidoran, Tentacle, Torchic, Reverse Mr. Mime. He is not rare, and a Delcatty, rare. Phantom Forces. Okay, so we got a Croconaw, Handscope, Laundred, Whismer, Zubat, Swirlix, Litleo, Pumpkaboo, a reverse Dimension Valley, and a non-hollow Talonflame, rare. Alright, so that completes our 4-pack opening here. And we didn't get too much. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys subscribe and like. Okay, so Pokemon Central out.